Hello everyone, Akash here. Neo hair lotion is a very popular product and there is so many fake Neo hair lotion out there also. Some of my viewers, they got fake Neo hair lotion when they order it online, and even the liquid look completely different than what it's supposed to look like. So one of my viewer, Asif, he bought 2 pack of Neo hair lotion and the liquid looks 2 different colors. This video, and I'll go step by step everything you should look for before you buy Neo hair lotion, because you need to get the original Neo hair lotion for your hair growth. If you get a fake one, there's no way it's gonna help you. Again, if you're in the US market, you could always get the authentic Neo hair lotion through my link. It's in the description box. But if you're in a different country, that's where people are having issue. They're going for a different vendor, and some vendor has an original, some vendor has a fake product. So, it's kind of like a mix up. So it's very important to know those basic things you should look for when you're buying Neo hair lotion. Many people get really good help through my channel. And if you're not sure why you're losing hair, and if you need help one-on-one, you could always reach me through Instagram. The link is in description box. So before I get to the liquid part, so the first thing you should look for, make sure it says 120 ml made by Greenwell. The second thing, you gotta look for the address. Make sure this address matches. That is the original Neo hair lotion company address. Third thing, you gotta look for the customer service phone number. See this phone number right here? Write it down. So when you're buying your hair lotion, make sure that customer service phone number matches. The fourth thing you wanted to do, you want to check out the expiration date, because you don't want it to buy any expired product. So Asif, one of my viewer, he bought 2 Neo hair lotion, and one looked like green, one looked like blue. As you see in the picture, even you look at the packaging, and the packaging look perfect. So what should you do when you ordering? Depend which country you are. Again, I said if you're in the USA, you don't have to worry about it, because you could just go through my link and get the original one. If you're in a different country, whenever you're buying it, make sure they allow you to return. So in case you get fake products, you could return. So this way you don't lose any money. First of all, when you're gonna order it, you check the box, everything I just told you. And second thing, when you open it up, check the color, if it's all right. If you're not sure about it, you could always reach me through Instagram, and you could send me all the picture of the liquid and everything, so I could tell you if it's original or not. Again, if you have any question about your hair situation, you could always reach me through Instagram. And over the year, I share many success stories. You could see, if you go in my channel playlist, many great video you'll see, and many success story you will see in those videos that personally people get a really good result and they got their hair back. The step-by-step process, it doesn't happen overnight. I always say, as early you're gonna start, as better result you will get. Many times people got the Neo hair lotion fake product and they used it 1 bottle, 2 bottle, and they didn't get no result, and they're thinking they don't have no hair roots anymore. That's why they're not getting no result. But that's not the case. They got the fake product. And then later on, they realized that, like they were using fake product, and they reach out to me and they got the original product, and definitely their hair situation improved. And again, I'm not sponsored by any company. So, I personally use this product and I benefited from it. This is why I recommend to people. It really depends on your hair situation, which product gonna be best for you. So reach me out through Instagram. This way I could personally help you. Hope this video was helpful to you. Many good video you'll find in my channel. Consider subscribe to my channel. Take care.